What's up traders? Just wanted to show you guys what a massive dump looks like. This is the stock we were trading earlier, BPMX. That's why it's always good to lock in profits. I sold a little too early, but look at right now, we just had a massive dump. This is a V-shaped pattern when support holds. So support held in the 22-cent area, but I was giving this thing a little more time. This could be another good dip buy right now. I just went to red to green. If I had more day trades left, I would get in and get out of this thing real fast on this little V-shaped pattern. But I want another little hard crash. I want to see another little hard crash I could buy. I really want to buy at 20 cents and hold overnight again. But I just wanted you guys see what happens when you hold and hope. This thing fell off the cliff. But you know what? Shorts are going to be covering. So we're going to give this candle right now, if it stays green, it could be going back up again, but let me give this candle, this thing might hit 20 again. Let's see what happens with this, you guys. If it was 250, 255 right now, for the last few minutes in the market, I would buy on this V-shaped pattern, but I wanted a little harder crash than this. I really want this thing to smack 20 and hold at 20. Short's doing a little covering here. Huge sellers came in at 26 cents. The huge sellers coming in at 26 cents. That's why you can see this 5-minute candle dropped, boy. And there was 1, 2, 3, a 4-minute drop. Could have caught this little bounce right here at 22. I had another alert at 22. I said if we could get to 22, I want to buy at 21 and risk 1 penny to sell at 25. That's another 5 to 1 risk reward. Might take this in my other account, in my E-Trade account, but I am currently in another stock over there. This is more of a little swing trade for me on this one. Just practicing swing trading in small positions, so we'll see what happens with this one, you guys. This would have been a great V-shaped dip buy. 22, we had a lot of let me show you my alerts right here, you guys. I had 3 alerts just go off and triggered right here. If you can see right now, BPMX, buy at 21, risk, let me show you, buy at 21, risk 1 penny, reward 4 pennies. Here's another alert on Acre just going off. Sometimes we have too many alerts going off, but look at buy at 21, risk 1 penny, reward 4 pennies. So we're right there. So it would have been a really good trade. But this is another pattern I always play. I always wait for I call it a V-shaped pattern. So I wait for it to make a little V on the left side and then start becoming another V on this side. So this is what I call a V-shaped pattern. There's different names for them, but it's a dip buy basically at support. So really reacting really nice to this V-shaped pattern, you guys. This is another one of my patterns I love to play. But yeah, you can see this thing fell hard, but if you would have caught this, don't buy while it's getting red. Like I made that mistake a few times when it's still crashing and anticipating a bounce. It's better to wait for the first green candle to make a new high, then ride the little trend. Like right now, I'll be riding this and till it cracks my little trend. I'll extend this to the right, and as soon as it cracks my trend, like earlier, cracked my trend, I just sold. It went above that like 30 cents for a quick couple minutes, but it's alright. See, this is our new resistance right here. So we have another triangle pattern and a nice little trend right here. So this is the same kind of pattern I had earlier, almost on my earlier video today. It was pretty long, but nice momentum in this trade. Panicked real hard. This one thing might panic down again, but wanted to show you guys, if you miss an opportunity, wait for a pullback, wait for some signs of support, buy the dip. It's either gonna work or it's not. If it doesn't work, you know, let's just get the hell out of there ASAP. If it works, you make some money. Like I said, it's a probabilities game, and just keep these stocks on watch. And you want to wait till the stock, here we go, I forgot to extend this to the right. You want to wait for the stock to set up. You don't want to just jump in any stock. You want the play to come to you. There's a famous book I read. I forgot the trader's name, but he said I wait for the money. I wait for all the money in the corner, and then I just go there and pick it up. Makes sense. It's a waiting game. The one who has patience is the one who wins, you guys. So just wanted to share that little strategy with you and show you that little dump that went on. But yeah, I hope you guys locked in profits earlier. This thing is back up and went green to red for a few minutes and reacted beautifully in this 5-minute candle. Nice bounce right back up. It might happen again, but like I said, in right here, out right here. As soon as just follow it for a few minutes, you guys. What cracks the trend, get the hell out. If you have patience, like earlier cracked the trend, but it held the 200. But, you know, I was just in a reactive mode, so just got the hell out of there with a decent percentage. And, I don't know, here we go. So we got more buyers coming in. This thing could squeeze at 26 again. This is my little pattern I was showing you guys earlier. My V-shaped on the bottom, then a triangle right here. That's like two different patterns in one, and a red to green move. So this thing could get squeezed at the end of the day, or it could come crashing back down, you guys. But still gonna be watching this thing. This thing, there's been a fight all day, so good luck to everybody. If anybody has any questions, you already know. Anybody who hasn't subscribed, please subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.